So to record this particular footage and to get the lighting, the framing and everything done, I had to go through so many retakes. I mean, shooting is not an easy job. Whether you're shooting it for your vlog or just a travel video, a TV series, films, तो छोड़ ही दो. I mean, बहुत पापड़ बेलने पड़ते हैं तब जाके एक मूवी और एक कहानी बनती है, visual story. Anyways, let's not give you ज्ञान on that. The main thing that I'm going to talk about, because last time जब हमने trip किया था, the first trip on Jigsaw, which would be linked somewhere up there, the one to Chopta. So उसमें क्या हुआ था? So I had some issues with the packaging, the luggage, the way I carried the luggage and everything. So as you guys probably know, I'm not sure whether I have mentioned this separately or not, but I use a Viaterra Claw Mini for my Gixxer SF250 BS6. Now why that? Because Gixxer SF owners would know this, that in its stock form mostly there are hardly any places to tie your luggage and everything unless you're putting in add-on all those saddle stay and all that, and any which ways Gixxer के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा options नहीं है. आपको इंटरनेट में मिल जाएंगे options definitely, but then again no direct options. If you search through the websites, you will hardly find anything for Gixxer. Majority are for KTM, Dominar, Himalayan, Royal Enfield and all. Gixxer SF250 as if हमने खरीद के बहुत बड़ा पाप कर लिया. कभी कभार ऐसा ही लगता है मेरे को. कोई एक्सेसरीज नहीं मिलता, और एक्सेसरीज के पॉइंट पे याद है मेरे को, as I told you earlier that I have been in touch with the company that provided me the windshield, Riders Pit Stop. I mean, I contacted them over Instagram, but then again, even they are not very hopeful about the frame sliders, because that is something which I personally, and I know a lot many other of you Gixxer SF owners who are looking for frame sliders for their Gixxers. But as of now, there's no good news. I have reached out to proper renowned brands also. I contacted Autolog Design and many other companies over Instagram and email and all that, but as of now it's a negative from all of them. Let's come to the point of this video now. Last time, I mean in my couple of previous trips on the previous bikes, like on the KTM and I have used the Guardian Gears tank bag, which is the Guardian Gears Shark Universal. There is a Shark Mini also, but I am using the Shark Universal, which is the bigger one, and non-magnetic is the one that I am using. This tank bag has been serving the purpose beautifully, but then again, last time during the trip, like the Chopta trip, I somehow was not able to put the tank bag on the Gixxer, and it was not very convincing. Like, I tried, but then again I was not able to watch the dashboard and everything. And as you guys have seen in the video, अगर नहीं देखा है तो देख लेना. तो वहाँ पे the camera bag that I had, it was again and again slipping onto the dashboard on hard braking and everything. So before this trip I wanted to sort that thing out, and so that's why I did try this good old Shark Guardian Gears Shark tank bag, and I did shoot some couple of B-rolls, like right now I'm shooting from the Sony. So मैंने सुबह जब मैं ट्राई कर रहा था बाइक पे, तो तब मैंने कैमरा ऑब्वियसली नीचे गैराज में लेके नहीं गया था, बिकॉज बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं सवाल पूछने, क्या कर रहे हो कैमरा लगा के, ट्राईपॉड लगा के, कोई फिल्म बन रही है, ये वो दुनिया भर के सवाल. सो आई वॉज जस्ट डूइंग the main thing was putting the bag on the bike, checking every points and everything, and बीच बीच में मैं क्लिप्स बना रहा था. उसी को मैं दिखा दूंगा आगे जाके म्यूज़िक के साथ, और ऑन स्क्रीन जैसे मैं टेक्स्ट डाल देता हूँ समझाने के लिए, वो डाल दूंगा. बाकी this is a tried and tested tank bag. It's a very spacious tank bag. I've used this in a lot many trips on different bikes also. So चलो आगे जाके vlog देखते हैं. This video should be helpful, so please spread this between your Gixxer SF buddies. Any which ways, I take a leave. Enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, leave comments in the description, and please, it's a request to everyone, please do watch the separate playlists that are made. I mean, I even have Dominar requests, that like Dominar questions coming in on my videos now. Himalayan के लिए भी questions आता है, जाके playlist देख लो भाई, playlist बना के रखा है मैंने. Even the same goes for Gixxer SF. So there are proper playlists use that playlist, use the information that has been shared in the different videos. तभी तो बना रहा है ना वीडियोस, ताकि आप देख लो, तो देख लेना वो, और बाकी और कुछ नहीं है. I will don't know whether I will make any further videos in between or not. Otherwise the trip के videos आएंगे next. Ride hard, ride safe, ride responsibly, and yeah, stay safe. Bye bye.